the big sneeze and the tiny friend.
Taran the elephant was very, very big. He had large, floppy ears and a long, wiggly trunk. He loved to stomp his heavy feet in the river and splash the water high into the sky. "Look at me!" he trumpeted happily. Zippy the ant was very, very small. She had 6 tiny legs and 2 long feelers. Today, she was working hard. She was carrying a bright green leaf back to her home. It was a heavy leaf for such a small ant, but Zippy was strong. Taran saw little Zippy walking by the river. He wanted to play a trick. He filled his long trunk with cold river water. He pointed it right at the little ant. "Watch this," Taran whispered to himself. Splash! Taran sprayed the water all over Zippy. The little ant was knocked down and her green leaf flew away into the mud. Zippy was soaking wet from her head to her tiny toes. "That was not a kind thing to do," she cried. Taran just laughed a big, loud elephant laugh. "I am big and strong, and you are just a tiny ant," he said. He didn't care that Zippy was wet and sad. He thought being big meant he could do whatever he wanted. Zippy was small, but she was very brave. She waited until the sun started to go down and Taran lay down in the tall grass to take a nap. Zippy crawled through the grass very, very quietly. She did not make a single sound. Zippy climbed onto Taran's trunk. She crawled up and up, past the gray skin and the little hairs. When she got to the very top, she used her tiny legs to give Taran's nose a very ticklish poke. Taran's nose began to wiggle. It began to jiggle. His eyes popped open wide. Achoo! Taran let out a giant sneeze that shook the trees and blew the grass in every direction. Taran was very surprised. He looked down and saw Zippy standing right there. "I'm sorry I was mean to you," Taran said in a soft voice. He realized that even a tiny friend could be very powerful and strong. Now Taran and Zippy are the best of friends. Taran uses his big trunk to help Zippy carry heavy leaves, and Zippy tells Taran the best stories from the forest floor. They know that being friends is better than being big or small.